Constructivism is a pivotal theory in education that emphasizes the role of the learner in constructing their own knowledge. Pioneered by influential psychologists such as Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky, this approach suggests that knowledge is not merely transmitted from teacher to student but is actively built through experience and interaction. This fundamentally shifts the focus of education from rote memorization to a deeper engagement with learning processes, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills. According to Piaget, cognitive development occurs in stages where learners progress from concrete understanding to more abstract reasoning. He believed that children learn best when they are actively involved in their learning experiences. For instance, rather than receiving a lecture on the water cycle, students might participate in a hands-on experiment, observing how water evaporates and condenses. This active involvement encourages students to question, explore, and ultimately construct their understanding through personal experience, making learning more meaningful and memorable. On the other hand, Vygotsky introduced the concept of the zone of proximal development, or ZPD, which highlights the importance of social interaction in learning. He argued that learners achieve higher levels of understanding when they collaborate with peers or receive guidance from more knowledgeable individuals. This means that group work and discussions are vital in a constructivist classroom. Rather than being passive recipients of information, students engage in dialogue, share different perspectives, and co-construct knowledge, which enriches their learning experience and reinforces the idea that knowledge is socially constructed. Moreover, constructivism encourages teachers to adopt a facilitator role instead of simply being the source of information. Educators create an environment that promotes inquiry, exploration, and collaboration. This might involve using project-based learning, where students work on real-world problems that require critical thinking and teamwork. Through such projects, students not only acquire content knowledge but also develop essential skills like communication, collaboration, and adaptability, preparing them for the complexities of the modern world. In conclusion, constructivism transforms the way we perceive learning and teaching. By recognizing that students construct their own knowledge through active engagement and social interaction, educators can create more effective and dynamic learning environments. The combined insights of Piaget and Vygotsky remind us that knowledge is not a direct transfer but a collaborative journey. By embracing this approach, we empower students to become active participants in their learning, fostering a lifelong love for knowledge and discovery.